Hi guys, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video we're gonna learn how to navigate this app called TikTok. Now, TikTok is a short form video app where people come to laugh, learn, and go viral. Whether you're here to watch cooking tips, dance challenges, or life hacks, TikTok's got a side just for you. Think of it like YouTube and Instagram as a super energetic baby. Now let's dive into how to actually use TikTok. So we're going to touch on the basic interface first and foremost. So when you first open the app, it's going to prompt you to create your own account. So you're going to create your own login information. And once you do that, your account is ready for you to engage with other content or create your own content. My account is already created. So when I open the app, it's going to load and it's going to show me some content on my For You page. Now let's get familiar with TikTok's layout. So we have the For You page. This is what you're looking at right now. And this is where endless content is provided for you. You can tailor it to what you like. If you like makeup like myself and hair care, skincare, I'm going to see a lot of content on these niches. So where you see the line under For You up at the top, I'm going to call them taskbars. It's going to show you where on the page you are currently viewing. So this is saying that I'm on my For You page. We are going over to the following page where you see the red dot. So these are the people that I've followed. So I'm going to see a lot of content from those creators who I follow currently. When I go over to the explore page, I actually see some content has gone viral. Looking down to the center bottom of the page is the plus icon. This is where I tap to create content. So anything that is in my photos, I'm going to see videos and photos that I can use to create new content. All right, so let's come out of that. And we're going over to the inbox. So this is where all of your engagement will be shown. Also, you will get system notifications from TikTok right here. Up at the top, you will see the people that you have followed when they post stories. And you also can create your own story. They have this new feature. So anything that you're currently thinking or wanting to express, you can share it through text and it will be visible on your profile picture for everyone to see. Up at the top where you see inbox, you can actually click on that and turn on or off your activity status. So right now you see that the dot is on gray, which means that I am not showing that I'm active on the app. But if I turn it on, any one of my followers that's online and they come across my page, they will see that my account is active. To the right at the top, this is the search. You can search for the accounts that you follow and also to message someone. To the left where you see the two people icon with the plus, when you tap on that, you can actually create a group with multiple people that you engage with or follow on the platform. Going back down to the bottom, we have the friends page with the two people icon. This is a section where everyone that you follow, you will actually see their posts and also their story. So when they post in their story, you will see the lines at the bottom to indicate to you that this is a story post and not a regular feed post. Going over back to home, this will take you back to where you will find your explore, your following, and your For You. Also, you can view live videos. So when you click on live, you can see everyone who is currently live, and you can also go live on the platform. And lastly, we're gonna go over to profile. Now this is my profile, so everything that I've posted, I'm gonna see it first things first, and then you have this lock icon to say that these are content that you have privated or it is only posted for you to see. The public cannot see it because it is private. Anything that you have reposted, you're going to see them right here. The other icon to your right is your favorites icon. So this will show you all the posts that you have favorited, collections, meaning things that you have curated on your own and you want to create a playlist. This is your little way of creating your own playlist, and this is visible on your page when someone comes and visit your page. Also, you will see sounds that you have favorited, so you know those trending sounds that you like. Once you hit favorite on them, you're gonna see them popping up right here as well. Effects, These are mostly for the aesthetic of your video. You also have products, playlists, movies and TVs, comments, add yours, hashtags, and series. And lastly, we have the likes button. So every post that you have liked, you're gonna see it right here. Also, if you take a note of your profile page, this is where you will see your username, your following, your followers, and the number of likes that you have compiled. Like all the posts that you have on your page and every like that you get, it will all be tallied and displayed on your profile for everyone to see. You can also create your bio to make it speak genuinely to you or the type of content that you are creating. You can also add links if you're an affiliate. You can add your email and all that good stuff. At the top right where you see the foot icon or the feet icon, this will show your viewer history. So you can turn this on and off, and you can also view other people's page as well, and they can see if you have come and viewed their page once their view history is on. In my case, mine is always off, so I will not see per se who has viewed my page, but if I turn it on, I will see all the accounts that have come to my page. The hamburger icon brings you a whole lot more into the back end of the app. It takes you to the TikTok studio. If you're earning as a creator on the app, it will show you your balance, your activity center, your business suite. You can get your QR code there, and you can go into more advanced parts where it takes you into your settings and privacy. But that is it for this video. Follow for more.